Ahoy sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
If you thought you knew all the delightful surprises Princess Cruises had to offer, think again. Come aboard with us in today's episode as we reveal a hidden gem that not many cruisers know about: florists on board every cruise ship. Imagine strolling through the elegant decks of your Princess cruise ship, feeling the gentle sea breeze, and suddenly stumbling upon a fragrant oasis of flowers. Yes, you heard that right. Princess Cruises brings the magic of floristry right to your voyage. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion, want to surprise your loved one, or simply wish to add a touch of elegance to your surroundings, the onboard florists are here to weave their floral wonders. Now, before you get carried away with adorning your cabin with a beautiful bouquet to keep those vacation vibes alive, there's one crucial thing to note. Flowers cannot be taken off the ship once boarded due to agriculture regulations. This means you can't carry those blooms back home, even if you fall in love with them during your journey. But fear not, the experience of enjoying these exquisite arrangements on the ship is worth every moment. Let's bloom into the delightful array of floral arrangements currently available on board Princess cruise ships. To start your voyage with a classic touch, we have the Princess Red Rose Bouquet, available for $99.95. Stunning and always romantic, this arrangement features a dozen long-stemmed red roses, the timeless symbol of love. It's a way to express those three little words, "I love you," in a language understood by the heart. If you prefer to bask in the sunshine of happiness, the Princess Yellow Rose Bouquet is your perfect choice, available for $99.95. Choose cheer in floral form with this happy arrangement of a dozen long-stemmed yellow roses. They have the power to light up your face and heart and add a touch of class to any celebration. For those who love the beauty of variety, the Princess arrangement is a feast for the eyes, available for $89.95. Alongside roses, it features lilium, eustoma, snapdragons, and lemon leaf, creating a unique and bright display that exudes nothing but love. Remember that these floral wonders are in high demand, so make sure to place your order in advance. Flowers are not available to order within 3 days of your sailing, so it's a good idea to plan ahead to avoid missing out on these enchanting creations. Whether you're setting sail on a romantic getaway, celebrating a special milestone, or simply want to pamper yourself during your cruise vacation, these onboard florists are ready to elevate your experience with their artistry and expertise. So, next time you embark on a Princess Cruise adventure, don't forget to indulge in the floral magic that awaits you on board. Treat yourself or surprise a loved one with one of these stunning arrangements to make your voyage even more unforgettable. And now, it's your turn. Have you ever experienced the petal-perfect magic of onboard florists during your Princess Cruise? Or have you never heard of this before? Share your thoughts and comments below, and let's keep the conversation in full bloom. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.